Alright guys, so today's video is, as I promised, about the 8mm projector that I got. I'm sorry for the delay in today's video, however I encountered issues with delivery, etc. Waiting 3-4 days when it should have only taken 2 days, 1 day at most. But that's the Royal Mail for you. However, hope you enjoy this video. If you do, leave a comment down below. If you have any questions, leave that down below as well. And we will kickstart today's video. Let's get it. Alright, so I'll open this and we'll have a look at the bands that are going to be driving the projector. I bought these for about £14.80. I'm unsure if they're actually going to fit, but that's it there. And another one here, and I'll show you the rest inside. Alright, so while I'm unscrewing all this and opening up to see all the gubbins inside, you will see me describing about the stuff that I'm replacing. It's really just the bands that needed replaced, as the old ones perished while the machine was on, shooting it all round the inside of the machine. This required me to clear it out quite a bit, as it was sticky as hell and some of it was actually inside the motor itself. What you'll see me doing just now is putting the first band on. I later realised that I had to put the band on the top first rather than the bottom. I took apart the middle assembly and the top assembly, as you'll see, to get this all together. It's the first time that I've done anything of this nature and it was quite fun. The only thing that I ran into was, while taking the arm off that you just saw there, I had a grommet disintegrate on me and then could not work out how to put it back together. I had to refer back to this video as I couldn't find the photo that I had taken of the whole machine in one piece. Other than that, I just tightened up various different aspects. As my mum had mentioned, when she used to watch the films on it, the film would get stuck in the gate and burn through with the heat of the lamp. That turned out to be just a slight slackening of the spindle at the top, which I tightened the grommets down so that the cogs made full contact, applied a good layer of grease on all moving parts that needed it to reduce wear, and yeah, that was about it. So there's not much else to say other than the issue that I run into, as you'll see just shortly. Turned out I was putting it on the wrong way around the whole time, until about here-ish. I take it off and start to look around how it actually worked. Main tip, pro tip number one, if you're restoring anything, make sure you have tons of photos of the steps you've taken to take out things, and always have the original piece fully assembled as a photo as well to refer to later on. It does work in full working order. I got a bulb delivered the other day and that works as well. Kicks off a tremendous amount of heat, however the fact that I've tightened everything up, the celluloid should not burn inside the gate. I used to be a projectionist in New Cinema, so I kind of know how these things work. But other than that, you'll see the finished product just about now. Alright guys, I have just finished editing that video. It is currently 10 o'clock at night. This will be going live on the Monday, so it's 2 days prior to that, so it's Saturday. I have been working all day, then edited this, and yeah, hopefully you have enjoyed it. I do apologise about the fact that I was changing clothes throughout the whole thing, but it was shot over about a week and a half. If you didn't catch the last video, The last video showed you the stuff that I have inherited video filmmaking wise. I have a Super 8 film camera which is in perfect working order after a nice little clean on the contacts for the battery, and I will be doing filming and tutorials with that equipment coming up soon. If you did like this video, please leave a like rating down below. If you want to see what I have in store for the next probably 3 months, 4 months, maybe the year, we'll see how things go, please consider hitting that subscribe button. As I said before, if you do have any questions, leave them in that comment section down below and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill, peace.